Hello everyone, I am Parmaja from Gossip Funda. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you are going to see how much data you will be using per day or from where you can extract all these details. So be with me till the end of this video so that you will not miss anything. So let's begin then. Let us see on Android first. Now go to the settings. In settings, you will find connection option over there. In connection option, there you can find a data usage option. In data usage, it will show you the exact data being used over there per day as per the date. Now here you can see it also gives you an option of a Wi-Fi data usage. From here you can exactly know how much data you have been using per day, or from which date to a particular date you can extract your data usage. Even it will show you which app is consuming how much data. Now here you can see in a Play Store from 27 to 25 it has been used at 769 MB. So this way you can know about your data usage. Even you can restrict your data usage to a particular network. So that was all about a Samsung phone. If you are using a Redmi phone, now let's see about a Realme phone or a Redmi phone, how you can extract your data usage. Here you can see when you go to data usage, it will show you a particular data being used over here, and by option you can check the mobile data usage and Wi-Fi data usage. Now in this it will show you in a graph manner also. And the second method over here, that in a Redmi you have a security option. In security option there is a data usage option over here. From there also you can check your exact data, your exact plan, and how much data has been used by each and every app over there. Another method is that you can just go to a company app, and from there you can just know about how much data has been used. You can check from over there how much data has been consumed per day. It will give you a list of the usage of your data, and there you will also see what exact plan you have been using. Now let's see on a PC how you can know it. Now go to the settings. In settings you will find network and internet option over there. In network and internet, here you can see now I have been connected to a Wi-Fi, so it's been showing how much data I have been using. Now in data usage you can see how much which app is been consuming how much quantity of data. So here it's all the details. Let's see another method. Just go to your Chrome or a browser and log into your router and search for statistics and data usage as per your router model, so that you can get your data usage. Now I am just going to log in to my ISP. Now here you can just see after a login it will show me a data plan. Now here you can select your date, as means whichever date you want. Now here I am just randomly selected a month and a date. When you select your sessions, it will show you all the list, means how much data you have been used for downloading, uploading, and total net whatever data usage you have been done. Everything it will be shown over here. So that's all. If you want more details, please check out our Gossip Funda blog. The links are in the description box. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in a comment box. If you like this video and find it useful, then press a like button and don't forget to share and subscribe the channel.